y'all? It's JJ
There's
from
two boxes of
Today's
each.
video is gonna be a little mukbang for y'all. Right now I'm eating a quarter pounder with ketchup, mayonnaise, the 2 chicken nuggets, and the honey mustard, and it's really good, y'all. Really good. Then I got a spray. Then we got chicken nuggets. And we got some fries. Y'all want some fries? Whatever y'all want. So today is
Damn, bro, y'all want to fry?
this is like a little mukbang video that
Hey, man.
we're gonna be
Take some
doing.
fries. Man, take the goddamn
So,
fries, man.
oh,
Take
yeah.
them, nigga, here.
Right.
Shit. Take it all
So,
damn shit, man.
my YouTube family on here.
If
Hey, if y'all want to fry,
if y'all guys say the fries are not
Ready?
seen, I don't know.
ready? Oh, look, watch it. Oh, dang, what happened? You got super fried. Yeah. Very good, y'all. Thank you.
I don't think
Yeah.
it's good.
How did the fries taste, y'all?
Bro, I'm tired as fuck. I don't even know why.
Look, bro, chicken nuggets, bro, stop, bro. Y'all gotta take a bite of that. See, bro, bite yourself.
So we got
Chicken nugget, bro. Take a bite.
Binky, say your thing on
If
here.
you say it's not seen, then I don't know what to say.
Say your YouTube on here, Binky.
Man, what's the word, man? I'm taking over his shit, man. Hey, we know limit gang in this bitch, man. I'm taking over all his shit, man. Hey, we got a camera right here. We got a camera right here.
Yeah, we got 2 cameras going on at the same time.
Bust him.
So y'all. Hold up, y'all.
34.
Yeah, ready now.
34, y'all.
Putting up on the
Mind the background, y'all. That's the bridge and the highway right there. What does that McDonald's eating right now?
She crazy.
Hey, if y'all guys are not eating at McDonald's, bro, y'all guys are missing out.
Yeah, that's true.
Not facts. You, man.
But
How much you know, man?
you guys, I need to go outside and enjoy some air outside, y'all. And stuff. It's a nice day outside.
Yeah, it's a very nice day outside.
Enjoy that weather before that cold hits. So y'all, we're gonna be posting it on Instagram. Things. My bad, y'all. So we're gonna be posting it on Instagram things. What
I'm
questions?
taking over the. God damn.
Oh, my bad, yeah.
I'm taking over the.
So let's run it back, yeah. So I'm gonna be
taking over
posting
that.
in my Instagram and asking y'all questions. What is the next video, y'all? Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna be posting on my Instagram stuff that y'all want to see in my YouTube channel.
Man,
Make sure y'all
and subscribe, bro.
I'm gonna be asking any questions y'all want to see. Y'all let me know what videos y'all want me to do for YouTube. Any pranks, any challenges, any mukbangs y'all want to see us to do, or any collabs y'all want to see. Meet up with people. If y'all want us to do that, let us know. I'm gonna be posting on my Instagram. Or I'm gonna be posting on YouTube, so y'all could be asking questions on YouTube. Then what else we do, y'all?
Sure, we got meet up with people.
Or just a mess around video, just have fun.
Or we can show y'all a day in the live video.
Oh yeah. We could do that day in our live video, morning routine, night routine.
Hey man, fuck what he talking about morning routine. Nah, fuck that, bro. Hey man, be on the lookout for a DoorDash video, man. I ain't even tell my channel this.
Oh yeah.
Bro, we'll be on the lookout for a DoorDash video, man.
Yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. We got that coming on the way. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. 100%. Stay tuned, y'all. And see, anything about yourself that say before I end it? Say you got anything to say before I end it?
It's It's your boy No Limit Dog, and yeah. Before he ends off his video, go like and subscribe to my channel and their channel, him and this boy's channel. Yeah, boy No Limit Dog. No Limit Trey. And your boy.
Make sure y'all spread the word around to everybody in the YouTube channel. Y'all spread the word into the YouTube channel. And stay tuned.
Yeah.